Are you ready to launch your YouTube career but not sure where to start? This complete guide for beginners covers everything you need to know to build a successful YouTube channel from scratch. Learn the differences between YouTube Shorts and long-form videos, understand how watch time works, and discover the importance of keywords, tags, and thumbnails.
Welcome to the channel, future YouTube stars. I'm excited to help you kickstart your journey to success. If you're eager to transform your passion into a thriving channel, you're in the right place. Maybe you're confused by all the terms like shorts, long video, tags, keywords, and thumbnails. Don't worry, because in this guide, I'll take you from zero to YouTube ready in just a few minutes. We're going to break it down step by step, so even if you've never uploaded a video in your life, you'll be ready to go by the end of this video. Let's dive in. This isn't just about hitting upload, it's about strategy. Trust me, once you get these down, you'll be way ahead of the game. First things first, YouTube offers two main types of content: shorts and long-form videos. Shorts are under 60 seconds, quick and snappy, perfect for funny skits or quick tips. Long-form videos are the classic YouTube experience. These are your longer tutorials, vlogs, and reviews. So, my advice? Start with a mix of both. Experiment. Now, let's talk about tags, keywords, and thumbnails. The secret sauce to getting your videos seen. Think of tags like hidden labels that help YouTube understand what your video is about. Use a mix of general and specific tags so YouTube knows exactly where to put you. Keywords, on the other hand, are how people actually find your videos when they're searching. Put yourself in the viewer's shoes. What would they type into the search bar to find a video like yours? Use those keywords in your video title and description. And finally, the thumbnail. This is your video's first impression, its cover image. A killer thumbnail can make the difference between someone clicking on your video or scrolling right past it. All right, it's time to build your YouTube channel. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand that a well-optimized channel doesn't just capture attention. It increases discoverability and keeps your audience returning for more. The road to building a successful YouTube channel starts with creating a Google account, your gateway to all of YouTube's features. This account will be the foundation of your channel, giving you the power to upload videos, connect with your audience, and track your progress with analytics. If you already have a Google account, you're ahead of the game. Just sign in to YouTube using your existing credentials. If not, don't worry. Creating one is fast and simple. Just head to Google Sign Up, follow the steps, and provide some basic details like your name, preferred email, and a secure password. With your Google account set up, you're all set to sign in to YouTube and start the exciting journey of building your channel. Remember, this Google account will be your hub for managing everything on YouTube, so choose a name that reflects your brand or content theme. Next, go to YouTube. Click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will guide you through the process of setting up your channel. Pick a channel name. This is a big one. Your channel name is your brand, so choose wisely. You'll be given the option to either use your Google account name or create a custom name for your YouTube channel. If you're branding yourself as an individual, using your name might be a good choice. However, if you're building a brand or a niche channel, consider choosing a unique, catchy name that reflects your content. You'll need a channel banner. This is your chance to make a strong first impression. Make it visually striking and ensure it clearly communicates what your channel is all about. Don't worry if you're not a designer. You can use free tools like Canva and others, which I'll detail in my next video, where I'll walk you through setting up your channel from start to finish. Next up, your channel description. Be clear and let people know why they should subscribe. Finally, link your social media accounts. Let's dive a bit deeper into making your channel look amazing. Your channel banner is prime real estate. Make it visually appealing and relevant to your content. And finally, don't underestimate the power of social media. Link your Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or any other platforms you use. Before you hit that upload button on your first video, let's do some quick recon. Go to YouTube and search for the main keywords related to your content. What other videos come up? Who are your competitors? This isn't about copying them. It's about understanding the landscape. What are they doing well? What could they be doing better? Use this intel to your advantage. Pay attention to their video titles, descriptions, tags, and even their thumbnails. By understanding your niche and your audience, you can create content that truly resonates and keeps them coming back for more. You've got your channel set up, you've done your research, now it's time for the fun part. Creating your first video. Don't overthink it. Start with something you're passionate about and that aligns with your channel's theme. Once your video is edited and ready to go, it's time to upload. Choose a catchy title that accurately reflects your content and includes relevant keywords. Write a detailed description using those keywords again to help people find your video. And finally, choose that awesome thumbnail you created to entice people to click. Congratulations! You've officially entered the world of YouTube. Now it's time to get your video out there. Share it on your other social media platforms and let your friends and family know. Engage with your viewers in the comments section. The more you interact, the more YouTube recognizes your video. And most importantly, be consistent. Keep creating awesome content and have fun. Starting a YouTube channel can seem daunting, but I'm telling you, you've got this. Remember why you started this journey in the first place? Was it to share your passion with the world? Don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things, and to let your personality shine through. So, get out there, create awesome content, and show the world what you're made of. I believe in you. There you have it, the essential guide to getting started on YouTube. We've covered everything from understanding the basics to setting up your channel, creating eye-catching thumbnails, and even researching your competition. You're now armed with the knowledge to take on the YouTube world. But this is just the beginning. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at setting up a YouTube channel, complete with step-by-step guide. Most importantly, we'll explore a variety of free tools to help you along the way, to help you grow your subscribers more quickly. So, if you're ready to take your YouTube journey to the next level, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. I'll see you in the next video.